Hello everyone and welcome back to one more vlog. This is going to be a Luxembourg vlog. I will reach Luxembourg at around 5 p.m. in the evening. I have an ICE train from Frankfurt and then a bus for a short time. And if you guys did not see my last video, which was a Frankfurt zoo vlog, the link will be somewhere here and also in the description. So now let's go.
Your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me running through perfectly. Still haven't met your parents, but we hang with your brother when he could use the company. What shall we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What shall we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me.
So finally I have arrived at the Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof and I have around 45 minutes until the train is going to arrive here at the platform. And one thing that I experienced right now was that the distance between the two platforms was big and it did take me some time to walk. Fortunately, I do not have much luggage, but if one has a huge amount of luggage with them, they may have to expect this distance and be very fast when moving from one platform to the other.
Wagen 26. An Bord unseres Zuges müssen Sie eine medizinische Maske tragen.
I still need to recover from another lover.
Somehow I managed to reach Saarbrücken. The train was almost full, and Saarbrücken being a major railway station in this part of Germany, it was not very easy. And somehow I found the location of the bus stop. I am at the bus stop right now, but I did not know where the bus stop is. So I found the information center that was there on the gate of the railway station and I had to ask them. So this is something new. And also one more thing, my earlier train had been delayed by 5 minutes, but since the total gap was around half an hour, I did not have a problem. But if your train gets delayed too much, you may not be able to catch the next bus or train. And now I wait some time and then in around 40 minutes I will reach Luxembourg.
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads. What should we do tonight? What if this breaks your little heart in mine? What should we do tonight? Let's just find out. Pretty blue jeans and me running through evergreen.
Finally, I have reached Luxembourg, and behind me you are able to see the central railway station, which is also the bus depot. And the main place was kind of noisy, so I was not able to record there. But now I have to go to my hostel. I will be walking to my hostel and exploring a few roads on the way. And let's go. So finally I have reached my hostel, and this is the youth hostel run by the Luxembourgish government. There are around 9 or 10 hostels in Luxembourg, and the website will be there in the description below. One thing that I have realized here is that people here are really multilingual. They speak English and Luxembourgish, and they will speak either French or German also. And now I'll just go and have a check-in. I'll just leave my luggage in the room, and then I'll go out to explore the city. So stay tuned. So what you all saw now were some exhibits from the National Museum for History and Arts, and there were so many exhibits all the way from the Bronze Age, Iron Age to paintings from medieval Europe, as well as modern art and paintings from the early 2000s. Now the plan is to just explore some old cities, some parts of the old city, and I will be showing some videos of the buildings that I find really aesthetic. And after that I plan to go to some restaurant to eat something.